Jusha C1210G 12 megapixel color diagnosis monitor. With the ultra-high 12 megapixel resolution, 800 candelas per square meter calibrated brightness, dicom calibration, and many other technologies, this monitor meets the requirement of all medical imaging diagnosis nowadays. Seamless dual screen mode can perfectly replace traditional dual 5 megapixel monitors. Besides these, with coated protective front glass, not only reflection is greatly reduced, but also safety is guaranteed. Minimum heat sinks design, powerful but quiet. Also, one integrated rotary sensor hides in the back that reads the values from the screen for criteria judgment. This guarantees stable and accurate imaging quality within life cycle. Combined with Jusha Quality's QA software, users can easily check and calibrate image quality, achieving long-lasting accuracy and meeting regulation requirements. When sensor is not in use, it will automatically hide in the chamber. Monitor comes with 2 USB downstream ports and 1 USB upstream port. 2 display ports are provided for video input. Another HDMI port can be used to output mirrored video. Monitor is equipped with innovative electrical stand, with 2 built-in physical buttons. Users can quickly change monitor height level. Simple and intuitive. By changing monitor height timely, doctors' cervical health can be greatly improved. Besides these, monitor tilt level can also be easily adjusted. Presence sensor detects person in front of the monitor, and turn off monitor when nothing detected. Ambient light sensor red illuminance value regularly. That will be used for compensation and warning. Smart Touch feature can be quickly toggled with touch button in front panel, temporarily boosting brightness to see more details. Keyboard light can also be activated with touch button, making it easier to read and type. Focus view function applies a mask by tracking the cursor location. The shape and size can also be changed according to application scenarios. Circle shape can help doctors focus on certain area, while the rectangle shape is more useful when doing comparing. At the same time, doctors' eyesight can be protected. Together with MagClip, X-ray film view function mimic the same feeling of traditional light box. Doctors can use this feature to read physical X-ray films. The area can also be changed to left, right, or full screen. This means even when one side is activated, the other half can still work normally at the same time. A fusion of digital and physical become possible. With industry-leading design and amazing technologies, this flagship product meets the most demanding requirements. Jusha C1210G 12 megapixel color diagnosis monitor.